Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Ashton. I am the CEO of Active Solutions AI. I started a marketing agency about 2 years ago. We took that beyond $50,000 a month. And then we took our conversational AI agency from 0 to 50K in under 60 days. And I'm here to show you exactly how we did that. So hopefully you get some value from this. Just to show you a little bit about who I am and who we are. We work with clients of acquisition.com. So you might know this lovely man on the screen. We work with people like Joel Kaplan as well. We built out all of his internal conversational AI systems. I did a masterclass on going from 0 to $100,000 a month with Go High Level. We also helped build the internal conversational AI for Go High Level that they currently have in beta testing. So we're part of that research development as well. So just to dive right in here. So there is a huge problem right now with marketing agencies, AI agencies, whatever it might be. And it is harder now than it's ever been to scale an agency if you have never done it or you don't know how to do it, or if you're just getting started. And one of the reasons is because there's a lot of people out there that are just selling the wrong solutions. Things change way too quick, and they're still selling their 2018 course on how to start a marketing agency, and that stuff just doesn't work anymore. So here are the three major problems right now that's probably holding you back from getting to where you want to be. Problem number one is that we have an over-sophisticated market. People are getting punched in the face with this stuff. Like, there's VSLs ads running all over the place. Everybody's trying to start a marketing agency. Only the good ones are going to survive. So over sophisticated market, it's really hard to sell because people don't trust you. Problem number two, the old ways of marketing just have changed. So interest-based targeting, detailed targeting, whatever people are telling you to do in the courses, it doesn't work anymore. It's not how you are going to be able to scale your ads. It's not how you're going to be able to get the lowest cost per lead and get the best results. And then lastly, the landing page one call closes do not work. Again, this is all stuff that's being taught in the paid courses that some of you might have even purchased. Unfortunately, people are just giving you their old information that doesn't work anymore, and they're still trying to make money off of it. And it's not right. Now, how do we make this work? So in a perfect world, this is kind of what we want to happen. So we want to start leveraging Facebook's AI algorithm to find our target market for ourselves and for our clients, because it's going to make us happier and it's going to make them happier. So what we do is we have a way of using something that we've created called creative-based targeting. So what this does is it leverages Facebook's AI algorithm to understand and find the target demographics of all of the people who are clicking on your ad, opening up the lead form, clicking the read more button on the description, and actually opting in. It collects that demographic information, whether it's they're between the ages of 25 and 35, they're men in these zip codes, whatever it might be. And it retargets those people by itself, those types of people. So people that fall into those categories or demographics, it will retarget them by itself and start showing your ad only to those people, which means you're basically showing a billboard to people that would most likely be interested in it, which means cost per lead goes down, cost per acquisition goes down, because you are putting yourself in front of your ideal target market. This is how you need to run ads for them to work today. And now we have three solutions. I'm going to go over these really quickly. So solution number one, have multiple layers of appointment booking. Number two, someone to have sophisticated human interactions. So not always just a VA to make phone calls. Solution number three, someone that can close deals. And usually, if you're a one-man show, that is yourself. And you might even, be doing all of these things. And lastly, a solution that I've just tossed in here, you need to start selling AI as a part of your solution for what you're doing for your clients. Especially right now, it's significantly more valuable than just the marketing because of the topic of conversation right now. Everybody wants AI, right? So if you're able to offer your marketing services or whatever services you have and accompany it with AI appointment setters, or just, AI in some way, shape, or form, it makes you significantly more valuable because of how hot this topic is. Everybody wants AI. Here's what we've created called the three-headed funnel. So first, you want some type of acquisition. It doesn't have to be paid ads. You need a way to get leads, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to have three different layers of appointment booking. This is what we need right now. So we have AI appointment setters, we have self-booking, and calling priority prospects. And this is how this is broken down. So when you set up a funnel correctly, and it's very user-friendly, what they're going to do is they're going to opt in, and they're going to hopefully fill out their own form and book their own appointment, right? But if they don't, what we're going to do is we're going to have our AI appointment setters go out and nurture them on a day-to-day basis, follow up with them so you don't have to do your own follow-ups, and try to get that person back on the calendar. Now, you're also have a pool of high priority prospects when you have an AI appointment setter. So this AI appointment setter is going to be nurturing people, having conversations, and there's going to be a lot of people who are talking to your AI appointment setter, but not necessarily going all the way and booking. Which means you might have like 15 conversations that were had the day prior when you wake up in the morning. Those are high priority prospects that we need to dial because the probability of them answering the phone when you call them and as opposed to someone who didn't have any conversations, just opted in and ghosted, is much, much higher. So we want to make sure all of our dials are priority so that we can get more appointments on the calendar. Then we want to take them to an intro call and then a demo call. Right now, we're in a trust recession. People do not trust other people. So one call closes are not working. Your closing percentage will be very, very low if you try to do one call closes. So we need to get them to book an intro call. We build our rapport, get them to like us, sweet talk them, right? So tell them that we can solve their problem. Only if we can. We don't want to solve problems that we actually can't solve or try to solve them because then we're going to have unhappy clients and it's not good. So we see if we can solve the problem, see if they're a good fit, and then we move them to that second stage where we give them the demo and we close the deal. This is the best way to do this in today's game. If you qualify, we can do all of this for you. So we set up our entire acquisition system. We give you our ads that we know work. We give you our funnel that we know works. We give you our entire process. We give you our bot to sell. We build out the bot for you, and we show you how to scale this as fast as possible. It's a completely done for you system. Now, it's going to take work on your end for sure. You're going to have to sell. You're going to have to actually follow the processes, show up to the group calls, whatever it might be. But the goal is to get you from point A to point Z as fast as possible. Now, how do you qualify? So we work with two types of businesses. Business type number one is you have a marketing or AI agency and you need help. That's pretty much it. You probably qualify if you fall in that category. Number two is this: you just have a business in general and you don't know how to get leads, or you don't have any process in place to nurture those leads that you are generating if you're generating leads. So what we would do is just implement an AI appointment setter. But the main goal here is just to specifically for marketing agencies and AI agencies. Right now, it's harder than ever, but there is a way to leverage the fact that it's hard because everybody else is doing it wrong. And if you're doing it right, it's going to make your job significantly easier. So go ahead and book a call below. We'll have someone give you a rundown of how everything works, answer your questions, etc. And then we look forward to speaking with you soon.